Hi everyone, Hannah here. So I wanted to do an unboxing or overview video showing you what you will receive in our new junk journal, scrapbook, and this and that mystery kits for the month of August. Our new collection is called Innovations, and it's basically themed around when they started making like steam engines, steam powered equipment, with a little, Victorian type style, and a little bit of steampunk in it. And so I just kind of wanted to go over that so you can see what you will receive. So whenever you open your box, it's going to look like this. And we'll go ahead and undo this. We've got a bulb pen with a really pretty pearl, diamond accent charm on there. And then you've got 2 feet of this white lace that you could leave as is, or you could dye it or ink it up. This is a little pack. My husband plays the guitar and he buys guitar strings, so I saved the packaging. And so I wanted to, send these out in the kits. I had quite a few of them, so I thought, I'm going to put these in the kits. It's kind of cool. I thought it kind of has an industrial look to it. So whenever you open that up, you're going to have a couple of wax seals and some buttons. And the wax seals will vary. I had some left over from the month before, and then, of course, when I run out, I'll make some new ones. So it could be, a different color. And then you've got a yard of this waxed linen. We've got a piece of this really pretty sari silk, and I absolutely love the pattern. I had purchased some, and most of the time I'll get solid or different, I guess kind of Indian patterns, or, from like, the Middle East. And so this one had a lot of really pretty, it almost looks like vintage floral patterns. And then there's a little bit of yellow on the back of it. So you could undo the stitching if you wanted to separate the 2 pieces, or just kind of leave it as is if you like that layered look. But I really liked the fabric itself. So you'll get a piece like this or something else that looks vintage. And then you've got some of this sewing a pattern. It's a pretty good size piece that you will receive. Kind of move it back and forth so you can see what size. So pretty good size piece. I guess maybe roughly, a foot by 18 inches. So something like that. So you'll get that. And then on the inside, you've got a bag with some washi tape and some stamps. So the stamps that we're doing, I'm trying to do kind of steampunk or industrial. So we've got a gear, and you'll get, either a bigger or medium size one and a small one. And then we've got a stamp here, and this would actually make a tag for you. You just stamp it and cut it out. It's got a hot air balloon. We've got different ones, some bicycles, steam engines or trains, and just different things with maybe some cursive writing or something on it. So I really liked how those looked. And then let me turn this over here. And so we've got some of this vintage lightweight upholstery fabric. I love the colors. I know it kind of has like a retro theme going for it, but the colors themselves really pop. I think of that time that it was very adventurous with, the industrial era. And, I think, this color fabric kind of pops, has some brightness to it, kind of brings some excitement to your project, to your journal. We've got a couple of vintage book pages. I really like these book pages. They have a thickness to them and texture. And then we've got a napkin, and you can open that up and use that. And then we've got 5 tea-dyed pages. And then inside here we have got just some other little goodies that you could use in your junk journal making or, you know, craft projects. Got some stickers, got a tag, got a receipt with the carbon copy. This is a coffee dyed filter, and then a craft paper envelope. And then we also have the, this is a page, it's a sticker sheet, and you just cut out the images as you want them. And some you might, you know, kind of want to leave it together. Some you might want to separate. And so that's what it looks like there. And then we also have the die cut sheet. This is printed on a 65-pound weight, so it has a little bit of thickness to it. This page, the postcard page, and then the scrapbook pages are all printed on 110-pound cover weight, so nice and thick pages. And I just absolutely love these journaling cards. And then here's some of the postcards. These are really fun and interactive to use with your projects. And so I've just kind of mixed up some of these pages here, but so here's one of the pages, and these are all single-sided, and you'll get 10 of those. I figured maybe single-sided would be good, because that way you'll have more pages for your project. Now, if you are wanting to print your paper on double-sided, you know, have double-sided sheets, we will be offering our August Happy Mail Club, and so you will receive the digital images that you can print on paper double-sided. You can print on fabric, and then you'll also receive some Happy Mail in the mail. Just absolutely love these pages. And so if you have purchased the scrapbook box, or you're thinking about purchasing it, what you will receive in your scrapbook kit, you'll receive these pages, this heavyweight chipboard, and you'll also receive the This and That mystery kit. And I'll go ahead and open that up so we can take a look. So when you receive it, it'll be all wrapped up pretty like this. And then you can open it up. We've got a bulb pen and a feather charm, metal feather charm. We've got some sari silk. On this one, I try to do more of, you know, kind of neat patterns that you could use. And so it'll be different colors, different patterns. And I just absolutely love these. And then this is a 6x12 sheet of paper from Graphic 45 collection. Let me see, what was the name of that collection? Oh, Life's a Journey. That was the name of the collection. So you'll receive a page of that. And then we have our embellishment bag. This has several flowers in it. It has some chipboard pieces from the Life's a Journey collection, so it will go with this. It could also go with the scrapbook paper. You'll also get a couple of stamps and washi tape, and there's a bag of glitter in there as well. It might be kind of hard to see, but you get a bag of glitter. You get these pretty flower fabric appliques. And then we've got a 4x6 journaling card, receipt with the carbon copy, and a napkin. We've got an envelope, And we've got a vintage book page in there. And then inside we've got some stickers, some of the die cut images from the collection, as well as like a sticker tag. And so that's what you will receive. Now if you just purchase the This and That collection or kit, then you'll just receive the kit. Or if you get it with the scrapbook kit, you'll get this with the paper and the chipboard. So I'm really excited, about the kits that we are offering for this month. I will have the links in the description box below so that you can purchase these. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to let me know. Thank you so much for watching.